you have the prediction of Final Four. Pero pag nakita, once na nagsimula yung opening day until now, pag tinignan mo yung standing natin, mahihirapan ka na mag-predict ngayon, Brad. Hindi mo na masasabi na, ay, ganito pa rin yan, ganyan pa rin yan. Hindi na uubra sa tingin ko ngayon yun. Kasi nga, I'm sure, wala sa prediction nating lahat ang perpetual. Di ba?
Ngayon, you throw Perpetual, you throw in Arellano maybe.
Di ba? Ngayon, medyo i-consider mo na. Dahil nga, 4-0 is not a joke. And it's not easy. Kasi ang mga tinalo nila ay talaga matitindi rin. Di ba? Pero hindi pa naman tapos ito.
Samantala, Cyrus Nitura.
Yun yung hinahanap natin kay Cyrus Nitura. The Cyrus Nitura, we know, nung nasa Perpetual pa siya. Ganun ka-aggressive umatake.
Silang dalawa ni Jude Roque yun.
Yes, before they transfer to different school. Ito naman, si Kuaha, wala na naman.
Escamis. What a pass! What a find! Escamis to Concepcion.
Kung ganyan naman yung mga kasama ni Clint, talagang hindi niya na kailangang umiscore. You just need to find a guy na libre. Makikredit pa rin naman sa kanya yung assist eh. So, okay lang, di ba?
Lumanat. Escamis almost coming up with a steal.
Ayun lang. Ang galing nung presence of mind ng Lumanag. Alam niya may pa-foul kaya itinira niya. Ito yung atake ni Nitura kanina. Oh. Ito naman yung hanap ni Clint kay Concepcion para dun sa lefty layup.
And for a guy like Concepcion, nangyari sa kanya yun, mas gaganahan pa siyang tumakbo.
Kasi alam niya hanapin siya ng nung guardia niya.
Na reward. Etong si Yam.
And yun naman talaga yung laro ni Yam eh. Hindi siya yung type of na go-to guy talaga. He's a role player. He will find his spot. He will crush the board. He will go for putbacks. Diba? So yun lang yung role talaga ni Yam.
Makibalita muna tayo kay Tati Austria who has this update.
Wala tayong karapatan mapagod. Ayan ang salitang ibinitawan ni Coach Rob Lapagala during their halftime dugout with San Sebastian. Dagdag niya, he recognizes their effort at defense will mean nothing if they keep fumbling the ball. Dagdag pa niya, the more natin kinukuha ang bola, mas may pagkakataon tayo pumuntos. It's high time for the Stags to prove that they can share that ball and score that point. As for Paeng-Are, Coach Navarro says he is taking time off the game for now. Ayun lang muna, Anton and Bo.
Bo, Rob Labagala also a champion in the professional ranks. Ngayon, panibagong pagsubok sa kanyang buhay.
Kumbaga, panibagong journey para kay Coach Rob. Although he's coaching, I think he's part of the coaching staff ng Batang Gilas. So, hindi na bago sa kanya yung pagiging coaching staff. Kaya, although college level naman ang hawak niya ngayon.
Tsaka siguro, sarap sa feeling na makuha yung unang panalo in their last game.
Oo naman.
Risho. Christian Risho finds a way.
Ang ganda ng footwork nitong batang to eh, no? Hindi niya minamadali. Talagang hanapin niya kung saan siya libre, kung saan siya makakatira ng komportable. Kaya successful doon si Risho sa kanyang atake.
Escamis calling for the Igliani pick. Escamis inside to Nitura. Nitura blocked. Juniel De La Rama with a block.
Ang ganda nung timing ni De La Rama doon. Ito na naman si Risho. Masyadong dikit.
Concepcion. Lazarte.
Wala. Ay,
Patuloy pa rin na tumitira mula sa labas ang San Sebastian.
Ito Ito yung atake ni Ricio kanina. Hindi niya minadali.
So the two guys who scored
Oo.
career high 25 points. Patuloy na gumagawa para dito sa kuburan ni Coach Rob Labagala.
Warning on the Golden Stags head coach, Rob Labagala, for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Oh, warning on Coach Rob.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi nga, ang akala niya doon, it's a loose ball foul. Kaya lang ibinigay ito. A little bit late call on the part of our referee. Kasi nga, nangyari yung layup and they were already going for the rebound before he calls a foul. So, medyo frustration on part of Coach Rob dahil nga akala niya is a loose ball foul sa Mapua. Pero, tinawagan sila ng foul doon.
Gabat.
Ang ano lang doon ni Coach Rob, dapat challenge niya eh. If he feels na wala, disadvantage for them, you should challenge it.
Ricio, back to Gabat. 4 on the shot clock. Gabat. Castor. Rebound, Concepcion.
Medyo maalat sila sa labas. Samantalang nung against Lyceum, lahat na halos kalimitan na pinukol nila dyan eh. Swak na swak.
Escamis. Nakita si Lazarte.
Iyon naman.
Another
Good find,
assist.
oo. Good find para dito kay Clint Scamis. To the guy at the corner, Lasarte. Hinahanap talaga nila yung Lasarte kasi nga sa tingin ko shooter din to eh.
Escamis with 4 assists now. Wow. Ricio. At may tapik na naman si Escamis. Nitura. Oh, what a pass.
Nabitawan lang.
Yun lang.
Nabitawan itong ni Lasarte.
Oh, a
Good foul, good foul. Oh. Hindi yata sanay sila sa arte doon sa loob. Ito. With a challenge. Parang looper eh.
There is
Swak na swak eh. Ito medyo i-review nila itong atake ni
in front of your respective benches.
so much contact. Medyo you can call it as a hard foul para dito kay Concepcion. Kaya nga itong mga referee natin eh, teka lang, review natin to. Dahil
ngayon lang tumayo ulit.
itong si Quahaw.
His teammates looking for an unsportsmanlike foul. Oo, kasi yung kaliwang braso ni Yam tumama sa likod ng ulo
Oo.
nitong si Ian.
And masasabi mong he's not going for the ball. He's going for the man. Kaya ayun na nga.
Yeah, because the right hand was going for the ball, so the left was
The left,
unnecessary.
Sportsmanlike foul on number 34,
Tsaka medyo
John Concepcion.
excessive yung tama. Medyo napalakas yung tama ni Yam
And on
Concepcion.
number 1, Cardinals. Tristan Federico coming in for
So
the
when we come
Golden
back, we
Stags.
will have some technical free throws para sa San Sebastian. It's a 14-point advantage for the defending champion Mapua Cardinals. At San Sebastian trying their best to claw back into it. They will have some technical free throws on the way pagkatapos ng unsportsmanlike foul ni Yam Concepcion. Mapua going back to their usual small ball lineup with Igliane at the center.
Oo, hindi pa ibinabalik itong si Bulapa or either itong si Dres de los Reyes dito ni Coach Randy. It's Igliani, Concepcion, Netura, Lasarte. And itong si Clint Scanos. Uy, minti si Ian Quahaw. Doon sa unang free throw.
Ian Quahaw right now 11 points. 2 for 4 from beyond the arc.
Yes, sir.
One possession stays with the Golden Sacks.
Hindi ano eh. Sa ngayong araw na ito, mahihayin eh. Apat pa lang ang tinitira eh. Nung sa LPU, 21 ang tinira niyan eh. Yung 21 na yun, pang-apat na game ko na yata yun. 5 eh.
Feeling ko in-game siya sinabihan na, sige,
Oo,
tira ka lang ng
pumukol
tira.
na pumukol.
De La Rama. De La Rama.
Ayun
Oh,
naman.
linaban.
The usual De La Rama that we know. Nadepensahan siya doon. Nakuha niya pa rin yung bola. Put back, put back. Successful.
Escamis. Escamis gets it back. Cyrus. Netura. Yam mula sa labas.
Kanina pa sinusubo. Uy! Napalakas naman itong si Gabat. Kanina pa sumusubok itong si si Concepcion sa labas. I don't know if he's practicing it or what. Pero not the usual Concepcion that we know. Who will do?
Because last season, Concepcion only attempted 9 3-pointers the whole tournament. So 3 out of 9 siya from season 100. Buong tournament yun.
Diba? Siyam lang. Eh ngayon, nakakadalawa na siya. Ayun na naman si De La Rama para sa defensive rebound. Ang ganda ng crossover. Alang hindi libre-libre doon si De La Rama.
Wow. Felebrico. Felebrico spins. Good stop by Mapua.
Oo, wala nang pupuntahan si Pelebrico doon. Talagang ayun na naman ang hanap sa ilalim. Mag-isa doon si Lasarte.
Ivan Lasarte from Clint Escamis.
Hindi na niya pinahiya si Clint Escamis doon. Sinurbol niya na yung 2 points.
Escamis with 5 assists.
Oo. He only had 2 points pero 5 assists na siya dito sa ball game natin.
Gabat. Castor susubok mula sa labas.
Wala na naman.
Oh no. De La Rama on the floor. De La Rama is in pain. Castor with a finish.
Miguel Castor.
Bagsak si De La Rama doon. Hindi mo rin pwedeng i-stop yung anong yun dahil nga San Sebastian is on a fast break attempt. Kaya
We will have
tuloy-tuloy lang. I think they will review it. Tama ba? I think they will.
Sino ba mga suspect natin? Yan ang tanong dito eh.
Yun ang ano doon eh. Yun ang...
Mahuhuli at mahuhuli yan. Ang daming camera
Dami
dito
ng
eh.
camera, Brad.
Oh, ito ah.
Hindi katulad before na ang camera is only 4. Oh!
Nako.
Medyo kitang-kita si Clinton. Medyo na napabayaan ng ating mga... Hindi siguro nakita ng ating referee. Kaya naman, for the whole scene, bagsak itong si De La Rama.
Very unlike Clint Escamis
Yes.
to do something like that.
Oo. Not the usual Clint Escamis that we know. Pero wala eh. Talagang kailangan mong box outin itong si De La Rama eh. Because he is a hard-nosed rebounding guy. So, pag hindi mo binox out, parang si Concepcion Tinto, kukuhanan ka ng rebound nito eh. Kaya naman itong si Clint eh medyo binigyan ng pagmamahal itong si De La Rama na pasobra lang yung pagmamahal na yun. Na pasobra lang ng kaunti yung pagmamahal na yun ni Clint Scamis dito kay De La Rama. Kaya halos 1 minutong hindi nakatayo si De La Rama.
Oh, wow. So looks like just a
This is a regular
Oh.
bump. This is a regular bump for Clint Scamis. So baka may iba pa silang nakitang video ng mga referees natin. So they let it go. It's part of the physicality itong basketball. So tuloy lang, tuloy lang.
So, kind of in agreement si assistant coach Melo Navarro. I'm looking at him right now talking to the referee. Pero si Coach Gilbert Lau, parang nagtataka, bakit wala?
Yun nga eh, di ba? Medyo in shock si Coach Gilbert eh. Dahil pag tinignan mo dun sa first review, medyo
For the Golden Sacks.
hard bump para dito kay Clint Scamis. A foul will be fine, di ba? Pero maybe may nakita itong mga referee nating iba. Uy! Miscommunication between
Sa pasa,
Pasa
recto.
and recto. Napalakas yung pasa.
Coach Randy Alcantara looking on. Jacob Shanoda,
14 seconds on the shot clock.
or rather, kamukha lang pala ni Jacob Shanoda. Ano pala to? Segovia pala to. Si Jacob Shanoda's on a different team now.
Yes, oh, iba na.
But ito yung reincarnation, si Segovia with the afro.
His second free
Mas
ball
maliit
is
lang.
Carlos.
Di ba? Kasi si Shanoda is a big guy, if I remember.
At Bo, ito yung unang beses na pinasok itong si Vincent Leslie Segovia.
Oo, madalang kung hindi ko masyadong nakikita to in the previous games of San Sebastian eh. Pwede rin kasi mapapago din itong si Quahaw. So he needs some reliever. Diba? And in the absence of Paeng Are, diba? Kailangan nila ng somebody needs to step up. Hindi pwedeng mag-rely lang sila all throughout kay Ian Quahaw.
So first appearance para kay Segovia. Recto. Recto. Oh! May agaw na naman si TJ.
Ayun naman. Sayang. Nagpambol. Ang ganda ng labanan na yun. Veterano sa veterano. Recto against Pelebrico.
Taking down number 2, Andre Lumana.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng
His third personal.
Pelebrico. Naiwan ni Recto yung bola.
Cyrus Cueto.
Kaya lang, naiwan din ni Pelebrico yung bola. Ang bibilis ng player natin. Mas nauuna pa sa bola. Ayun, basang-basa ni Igliani yung pasa na yun.
Balik ang bola sa Mapua. 10-point advantage. Igliane. Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Recto.
Hoy, traveling, sabi ng ating referee. Very quiet night para dito kay Gonzalez, ha? Hindi pa siya masyadong nagpaparamdam dito sa ball game natin.
Timeout, San Sebastian.
We
Golden
have
Sacks.
a timeout. Gonzalez just 0 for 1 from the field. Mapua leads by 10. It is a 10-point lead for the Mapua University Cardinals as they try to get back on the win column today. At San Sebastian not making it easy para sa kubunan ni Coach Randy Alcantara. Again, happy Sunday sa lahat ng ating mga kapusong nanonood. And we've got the lovely ladies here inside the Phil Oil Center in San Juan for this matchup between Mapua and San Sebastian.
It's a 10-point lead para dito sa Mapua. Tumaas na to sa at the high of 14. Pero hindi pa rin bumibitaw ito San Sebastian. They still wanna hang around. Baka sakaling mangyari ulit yung last game, di ba? Na they got a win of a double overtime. Pero,
Tsaka, Bo, bihira to para sa Mapua ngayong season. Yung lumalamang sila ng double digits ng matagal na time frame. Kasi dikit lahat ng mga laro nila.
Halos na ball game ng Mapua. I don't know their game between Arellano kung ano yung score doon, but their opening game against LPU, double overtime.
Actually,
Diba?
yung final score ng Arellano at LPU parehas ng 90-87.
Bro, mo yun.
Pero hindi nag-double overtime yung sa AU
Oo.
High scoring lang kasi takbuhan
And dun nag-explode si
Oo.
Clint Scamis at 27. And we had a coach challenge by Coach Rob Rabagala. Very, very important kasi itong possession na to. At the third quarter, we have 2 minutes and 37. They are down by 10. So, as much as you want a possession really bad, kaya he calls for medyo tumama nga sa legs nito ni Philip Rico. So, tama yung unang judgment ng ating referee doon.
2 minutes and 37 seconds. Yan ang oras na nalalabi dito sa ating third quarter. Cyril back to Cyrus. Cuenco for 3. Sa pasak.
Ayun naman. Humingi ng tulong yung ating referee doon dahil hindi niya na aninag ng maayos kung sino ang last touch doon.
Joe Gulapa. Checking back in.
Okay na nga. Last touch ito ni Sapasap.
Dine-deny na ni Cyrus.
Oo. Kasi alam nilang ito din yung go-to guy ng ano eh. Ito na naman. Pambol na naman.
Back to TJ. Oh, wow.
Ganda! Uy! Sayang!
Trying to give Mapua a taste of their own medicine. Gulapa, natapikan.
Oo.
18 seconds on the shot.
Drop pass din. Kaya lang, sorry miss para dito sa San Sebastian.
Gulapa picks it up. Gulapa, aatake.
Wow!
Recto.
Ayun na naman si JC Recto.
JC
Right place,
Recto.
right time para dito kay JC Recto for that putback.
Felebrico. Ten on the shot clock. Delarama, aatake.
Wala.
And rebound for EJ sa pasak.
No, wala lang nabubuntahan ng offense itong San Sebastian. They were just like trying to do a ball screen with Quahao. Kaya lang nadi-deny ng Mapua or they're just switching it. Ito, sa pass-up, wala.
And the Stacks have numbers. Segovia.
Malakas. Wala sa posisyon itong si Segovia on that attack. Ito yung atake ni Gulapa kanina.
Grab ni Basera coming in for the Golden
Nabigtis siya pero naandun pa rin si JC Recto for that putback.
Segovia looking for his first NCAA points. Recto.
He was just attacking hard. Itong si JC Recto and then
Taking foul to number 28, Cobb de Basera. His
ang nagiging
first
problema nung San Sebastian,
2 free throws for JC Recto.
hinahataw nila, imbis na taasan na lang nila ng kamay. Kaya nakakakuha ng foul itong si JC Recto.
40.2 seconds. Official time remaining in the third as Recto sinks the free throw. Recto having a solid season for Mapua. Ten out of the 12 players fielded in by Coach Randy Alcantara. Nakakapuntos na. .14 lead for Mapua. Wow. Wow. De la Rama. Segovia.
Ayun naman.
Junic Segovia with his first NCAA field goal.
This is Segovia.
Kung kanino in his first attempt on the fast break, eh malakas ang tira niya. Dito naman sa corner spot, swak na swak.
From Ormoc, Leyte, Junic Segovia.
Ayun na naman yung drop pass nung they were caught
At the end of 3 quarters, it's 54.
sleeping doon sa baseline natin. Kaya puro drop pass ang nakukuha nitong ano. Buti nilang successful sila doon na ma-contain. 54-43 in favor pa rin ang Mapua.
Fourth quarter sa aming pagbabalik dito sa GTV simulcast at Heart of Asia.
Hahanapan namin mo sa YouTube yan, Brad. Magiging my day mo yan ng ilang araw. Hanggang sa pag after a year, i-repost mo na naman yan.
Tsaka yung after 10 years, magkita sila ni Juniel De La Rama.
Oo.
Kay De La Rama nang galing yung pasa eh.
Naalala mo ba yung pasa ko sa'yo, pare? Di ba? Yung mga, uy!
Eto rin Mapua, watch out for Gulapa. Ayan na po, Gulapa. Yun lang, sumobra.
Finishing touches na lang ang kulang dito kay Gulapa. Kailangan mong hawakan ng matibay din talaga eh. Kasi nga, if you're a big, there's a lot of guys hacking dun sa baba. Kaya talagang matibay din ang grip mo
14 seconds on the shot clock.
for you to have a better, kumbaga, attempt.
Cuenco pulls up for 3.
Wala. Oh,
Wow.
he pass it to the wrong guy. Itong si Kuahaw ngayon.
De La Rama back to Cuajao. Risho. Risho to Ian. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Oy!
Ayan na po. Ayan na.
Kahit na may depensa sa harap, walang baliwala kay Iyang Kuahaw yun. Ito naman si JC Recto.
Offensive rebound for Gulapa. 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 Steal by Segovia. Segovia to De La Rama. De La Rama drop pass. Risho.
Ganda. Kung kanina, it's all Mapua who's doing that. Ginaya na rin sila nito San Sebastian. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan natin sa ball game natin.
What a comeback attempt here by San Sebastian. Ian Cuajao meron ng 15 puntos.
Konting puwang lang eh. Ito naman yung atake ni De La Rama. Nag-commit si Gulapa. He finds ratio doon sa ilalim.
Mapua calls a timeout. Earlier, it looked like it was going to be a blowout in favor of Mapua. They were up by 15, 44 to 29. Pero
Nagbadya kanina. Pero yun nga. The composure of this San Sebastian team, inunti-unti nila. From the high of 15, binaba sa 10. Ngayon, 6 na lang. With 8 minutes and 40 seconds.
We have a correction
It's still
on the
anybody's
board.
ball game, di ba?
The last field
Kaya sinasabi natin na
converted by number
gusto nilang gayahin yung ginawa nila.
yung mga drop pass.
Oo. Hindi, tsaka yung nangyari in the previous games
Oo.
against LPU. They were
Humabol.
down by
official
17.
score, 47
Pero
for the Golden Stacks. And 54 for the
Tinarbaho talaga.
oo. Hindi ba yung score natin dito? 54 to 47 na.
Di pa nakakapuntos ang Mapua dito sa fourth quarter.
Oo, yun lang. And wala pa, hindi mo mabalik si Clint Scamis dito sa ball game natin. Mula nung sinab siya na dun sa third.
Gonzalez, Recto, Cuenco, Igliane. And Sapasap on the floor for Coach Randy. Recto to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, one-legged fadeaway. And Sapasap with the offensive rebound. Sapasap to Cuenco. Cyrus for three.
Hindi naman. Kanina niya pa sinusubukan. 2-3. Couple of times. Sa pangatlo successful na itong si Cuenco. Pabalik sa siyam, mga kalamangan.
That's the first field goal of Cuenco in this game.
Oo, medyo alat siya. Kanina pa niya sinusubukan yung 3 points na yun eh.
Cyrus Cuenco, 1 for 4 from beyond the arc today. Good drive by EJ Sapasap. Na libre si Cyrus.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Risho. Lumanak.
Wala.
Gonzalez calling the play. Gonzalez to Recto. Recto waiting for Cyrus to pop out. Cuenco. Binalik muna kay Siren. O Segovia wants this matchup. Ayan, nabigyan siya ni Gonzalez. Cuenco. Sapasap offensive rebound.
Ayun
EJ
naman.
Sapasap.
Right time, right place ulit dito para kay Sapasap. Siya na ang umatake doon. Hindi niya na ibinigay sa mga kasama niya.
Lumanak. Segovia. Segovia. Back to Andre. Lumanak pulls up. Igliana with a rebound, and now we go to Tati Austria with his courtside report.
Coach Randy Alcantara is tapping Joe Gulapa's ability to hopefully break San Sebastian's defense and further push their lead away from the Stacks. Ika niya during the huddle, Joe, lock in ka na. The defending champions are not slowing down anytime soon dahil nararamdaman nilang inaabangan sila ng Stacks with every chance they get. Back to you, Anton and Bo.
So special attention and reminders para kay Joe Gulapa. De La Rama. Lumanat. San Sebastian, naubusan ng oras doon.
Shot clock violation.
Kaya naman kailangan na ni Coach Rob ang serbisyo nito ni Iyang Quahaw. Ito yung offensive rebound ni
For the Golden Stacks.
sa pass-up. Medyo iika-ika siya doon nung sinab. Ito yung pambul na naman eh. Tapos napilit niya rin sa ilalim.
EJ sa pass-up getting checked on now. He's on the bench.
Oo. Yung meron kang ganyang klase ng player sa pass-up, conception, eh, talagang malaking problema para sa mga kalaban mo. And you have Dilarama also on the other side. You need to put a body. Hindi ba pwedeng makikipagtalunan ka sa mga yan dahil dehadong-dehado ka.
Escamis now on the floor. Coming in with Concepcion. Cuenco missing. Almost a steal para kay Cyrus.
21 seconds on the shot.
Kitang-kita yung pasa ni
Ralph Gaba.
Lumanag na yun.
Entering the lineup.
Uy, medyo nag ano yung I don't know if it's legs or tuhod.
Mukhang sinestretch mo yung calf muscle ni EJ.
Oo. Sayang. Very seldom na malibre itong si Dilarama. Hindi niya pa na-convert. Kaya 13 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Mapua.
Escamis. Netura. Netura.
Ayun naman.
Wow.
Cyrus Netura.
Yun naman yung strength ng Netura. He seldomly took a shot sa labas, pero pagka umatake, talagang go hard siya. Ito
Risho.
naman, Risho.
Christian Risho.
Diyan din siya nabuhay last game eh. Yung mga ganyang perimeter lang eh. Kaya siya nakakuha ng 25 against LPU.
Escamis. Just 2 points today, but he does have 6 assists. Escamis, what a pass. Cuenco on the drive. Cyrus Cuenco.
Cyrus Cuenco.
He's not really successful sa labas. Kaya padating doon sa kick out ni Clint Escamis sa kanya. Inatake niya, ginamit niya yung board. Ito naman si Ian Quahaw. Wala. Oops. Ito na naman.
Dilarama on the floor.
Oo. Nagkiskisan itong dalawang rebounder natin. Ito yung atake ni Cyrus Netura. Ito naman yung perimeter na jump shot ni Risho.
Yeah, partners in crime, the backcourt of Cuenco and Escamis collaborating for that last basket.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
7 assists for Clint Escamis. Di maunahan, handoff to Quahaw.
Ayun na naman si Dilarama. Kaya lang blanca siya doon ni...
Di mo alam kung si Netura o si
Oo,
Iglianes.
dalawa sila eh.
Sabay.
Talagang cover na cover siya doon. Pero give him the credit of getting the offensive rebound.
Sipat.
Oo.
Escamis, double team comes. Netura, Concepcion, Lazarte,
Short.
Escamis.
Yun
And
na.
Escamis will draw a foul.
They already took Mapua to miss the shot by Lazarte. Kaya lang, hindi naman nila na-box out itong si Escamis. Foul pa itong si...
One on the Golden Stacks. 2 free throws for Clint Escamis.
Itong si Risho against Escamis.
Exciting times dito sa buhay ni Clint Escamis.
Yes.
We thought we would see the last of him in the NCAA after winning the championship. Marami siyang options. Pwede siyang magpa-draft. Pwede siyang mag-overseas. Had some offers but decided to go one last dance dito sa NCAA.
Oo. Eh, maganda rin naman para sa kanya yun. Kasi nga, iba pa rin ang championship in the college level. Kaya lang yun nga, everybody's malakas na rin eh. Wala nang madali dito sa natin eh. offensive rebound, offensive foul para dito kay Ricio. Yun lang, medyo yung kanina ko pa sinasabi na wala nang napupuntahan itong
Offensive foul,
San Sebastian. Kaya medyo
two on the Golden Stags.
nagbabara-bara na sila dito.
Namagana, yun lamang ng Mapua. It's up to 17.
Yes. Inunti-unti lang eh. Hindi isang buhos. Dahan-dahan lang.
Lazarte. Oh. Cyrus Nitura rising up for that rebound.
Mintis lang doon si Cyrus Nitura.
Oh, Lazarte. Triple attempt from the corner. Oh,
Oo. Yung mga ganun nila in the previous games, eh medyo malaki ang tsansa against LPU. Kaya nakabalik sila sa ball game na yun. Ito medyo alanganin na sila dito. Kailangan nilang dumipensa. They should make a stop. Ganda naman nung...
Cyrus Nitura.
Oo. Ganda naman nung attacking yun.
Oh, what a move by Cyrus Nitura. The patience. An up and under move against the rookie. Cyrus Nitura steps on the break. Fly by puntos para sa Mapua. And that's just a reminder of what Cyrus Nitura can do. And because lumobo na sa 11 man lamang, a chance for Drex de los Reyes to back down and find Concepcion. Yun lang.
Hindi lang na-finish ni Concepcion yun.
Pero ang ganda ng hanap ni Drex.
Oo. Ganda ng drop pass niya.
Rookie point guard IC Kalangan. A champion with the Perpetual Junior Altas last season. Nitura. Lazarte baseline floater.
Wala.
So, as we see this triple by Segovia, rebound by Kalangan. This is going to be the most lopsided win dito sa season 101 na pag-uusapan natin, Bo, na this season halos dikit eh. Pero
Dikit-dikit lang eh.
masasabi ba natin na yung pagkatalo ng Mapua after seeing their 14-game NCAA winning streak snapped was a wake-up call para sa kupunan ni Coach Randy Alcantara?
Pwede din. Pwede din. Kumbaga, ang ano dun is, pwede maging ano na anybody's ball game pagdating dito sa NCAA. Kung yung San Beda nga eh, na-disgrasya ng GRU, di ba? Sila pwede rin silang ma-disgrasya ng kahit na sino. So hindi ka pwede mag-relax. As much as possible, itong ball game natin, nakadikit itong San Sebastian hanggang mga third eh. Pagdating ng ano, medyo dumistansya, unti-unti lang din. Hindi yung isang buhos na lamang ng malaki eh. Unti-unti lang din talaga eh. So, ito na yung kumbaga pang ano ni Coach Randy. Magkaroon ng kumpiyansa itong mga bench player nila. Pinasok na niya.
Tsaka napag-usapan din natin, Bo, na after today, mangyayari na yung crossover matchups.
Yes.
Ang susunod na mga kalaban ng Mapua ay San Beda.
Oo, so yung kabilang bracket naman ng mga kalaban nila. Kaya medyo magiging mabigat din. Kasi nga, positioning din ang magiging kalaban mo rito eh. Hindi ba pwedeng, okay lang ako dito sa number 4, number 5. Hindi ba pwedeng ganun eh. Kasi one miss you die ka sa ganun eh.
Oh, De Los Reyes with a
Ayun
catch
naman.
and finish. Okay. Quick spin para kay Drex De Los Reyes.
Oo, hindi niya na ibinaba doon dahil alam niya pagdating ng maraming didikin, marami pang susundot. Kaya inilagay niya na lang.
And with that De Los Reyes basket, Mapua's lead is now 70-49. Bo, kindly break this down for all of the big men here.
Ito yung seal nito ni Drex De Los Reyes. Inilab sa kanya ni Cyrus Nitura. Hindi niya na drinibol dahil alam niyang maraming susundot pa eh. Inilagay niya na lang.
Yun yung pinaka mataas na entry pass na nakita ko
Oo.
buong season.
Eh, laki din naman ng papasahan mo eh.
Wala na makakakuha nun.
Wala na. Nilapas mo yung kuhang-kuha ni Drex De Los Reyes yun. Dahil nga sa laki nito, 6'8". Eh, medyo may clear itong San Sebastian dito. On the previous incident.
So more rookies getting an opportunity to see action here.
Oo, dito sa ball game natin. Dahil nga it's a blowout game, 21-point lead. Medyo mababa ang ng San Sebastian. They only had 49 points.
So number 32, Jaime Gomez de Leaño, the brother of Javi and Juan. O, si Juan kaka-triple-double lang just the other day. A long discussion here between the referee and coaching staff of
Oo.
San Sebastian.
They were trying to clear out. I think they were trying to clear out again. I think yung doon sa nangyari kay
Assistant Coach Gilbert Lau.
yung loose ball nito ni Christian Riccio against Lasarte. Tapos parang ang inaano nila is binangga nito ni Drex De Los Reyes itong si Riccio. Yun yung inaano nila Coach Gilbert Lau. Natawagan ng kahit man lang second motion or whatever. Diba? So, nabigyan ng technical pa ulit si Coach Gilbert. Dahil nga, it's already a blowout game. Don't need those you can call it stupid things kasi nga, tambak ka na eh.
Warning on the Golden Sacks for delay of game.
Another warning para dito sa kanila.
San Sebastian looking ahead on their schedule. They play JRU on Wednesday. Mahirap
10
na
seconds on the shot clock.
postehan yan. Gomez de Leaño
10
against De Los Reyes.
So, talagang ang laki ng height advantage ito ni De Los Reyes.
Lumanag.
Wala, kanina niya pa sinusubukan.
Di maunahan, susubok.
Ang
Abdullah.
lakas pa rin.
Rare appearance para kay Abdullah.
Oo.
De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Same foot. That's the new rule. sa FIBA. So, it's a traveling. Dati, legal yun eh. Pero ngayon, hindi na.
We're just waiting for the official final score here. But Mapua coaching staff just instructing them to dribble it out.
Oo. You don't need to take the shot. Wala naman yung quotient eh, na inahabol. It's already a
Into the end of
21-point
our
lead.
final score,
72-49 at the end of our ball game in favor of course, Mapua.
By our
Ito
host,
ang ating
your Mapua.
best player of the game, Ivan Lasarte. 14 points, 3 rebounds, 1 steal.
Unang player of the game ni Ivan Lazarte.
Oo. But syempre, you need to credit out also Clint Scamis. You only have 4 points, 5 rebounds, but he has 7 assists in our ball game. So, still, but yun nga. Bigay natin dito kay Ivan Lasarte kasi nga si Clint, any given time, pwede yan. Pwede mag-best player of the game yan.
The most lopsided win here in NCAA Season 101. Mapua dominates San Sebastian 70-49, coming off of that loss against Perpetual. So back on the win column are the defending champions.